Hey, but Ghana be funny country, oh. Ghana, it be funny country, I swear. Because tell me the reason why, as a youth, Okotuaba, and the data Okotuaba is sick of betting tax. It's now Okotuaba. Abi now the betting tax in the same way you feel bet what they try now. Why they cry say no get work? Why the betting no be work? The betting no be work. No be you talk say no they want betting tax. When you vote give a government who go come, they remove their betting tax give you. Why did the government come? Them scrap the betting tax. So if they happy, why you vex? Now you they ask me where the 24-hour economy day. Yesterday somebody called me then asked me say promise I beg the 24-hour economy no you get any info about how they want to do. I say share. What down and I only Ghana and I want to call Burkina. You know you hear what they go on. You know you say the majority leader the talks now that man self. Charlie, you can't talk say if you dey wait for parliament say you go bring any document say 24-hour economy this thing no go happen. You know behind talk am. Then you people go allocate money go there 24-hour economy something. Where the 24-hour economy say you don't know what you possibly want to do. The guy asked me, I said, me, I don't get any info. Me will go ask money for TikTok if my sister. If you go I talk am say be me where I say you can be them. So if you get the info me, I know they end this. I don't know anything about them at 24-hour economy then how they want to do one. Or I know say it be scam. Where they scam people. That one day I know. Say it be scam 24-hour economy. Everybody knows say it be scam. Every intelligent person who did this country knows say it be scam. But I be like Ghanaians not me as we thing. Because if any was we thing, how you want to trust John Dramani Mahama? How you want to take trust them? This man, how you want to take them trust them? You want trust them as in what? Person where they lie. Person where you say he be indecisive, you know see no fit decide for himself. You want trust that the person talk you saying he be indecisive. You know fit decide for himself. You get time go trust person where you know fit decide for himself. You get time, you go trust someone where no fit decide for himself. Charlie, sometimes we should be serious. We should be serious for this country. Let's be serious for once. Sometimes be serious. Like you're serious, kakra. You say yeah, you dey serious. No be say you dey play. You see, see, I can't show you some video being. I want to make you watch the video. Listen to what the person they talk. Then after that, you have a trans near pencil near digestive video ni mu video name finish pp. Then we go have a discussion. But for now, the young boy video name we are. You have a twaso. How you gonna same TV meeting? I'm just on a promise. Young combra.
Usu adwuma. Opa adwuma ye. Ade man bet no. Abrofo na jabo no bo ana. Sa woto abayi aban a obeyi eto afiri chacha so. Nyame adom waba. Mabunu ekogina awiam to aba. Eyi kandinia ono de. Oda yichira wonya ne se emuwa ntakramoa etu woni dayim. Koko china kanum kroko koko. No nkoko dabo nom air fly woni dayim. Eno aban na Ghana fo ekoto aba eyi no. Omeyi tuo emfiri chacha omudu omu school fees etwa so because omu take risk ene di chacha no. Ebi di ne boss adwuma mu sika na etwa. Ebi di ne school fees na etwa. Ebi jebo sia free bank na di betwa. Ti ontiase se aban no ede tuo abeto so na ama chacha ni twa nya ni kabiem. Aban papa mara meyi mfiri ho. Awurade adom na chacha eso tuo ni ho biem. Na di ebiem ni adwuma. Enipa wunya sika tu botomu a edi ebiem. Ya yi tuo afiri chacha so. Ankokon kitinkiti so ye ba ye ene ofa ba bia wutietie ankokon so. Ti sika abu o man mu di ebiem ni adwuma. Ene mabunu atimi akogina wiemu asa lai. Ayi aban a obeye sabi budget ama mabunu. Anya ni daso sanitary pad. Mohun ene 21st century ni ewiase nam abafu nimdie kwan so dwane nne. Kandini amakoyi no. Kuremu nsam twerofo ona ti radio so, TV so, edi ne ho adanse so call yafunu edi for pastors edi ne ho adanse leader ye yi no ma oman no no NDC mabunu da su ne kuroi mu MPP mabunu su mabunu gusu ne ade ya yemfa ya adwuma na efiachi abofunu beebiem ne wo ho ye yituo afri chacha so emene wutwa udi billions of cedis edi ebiem edi adwuma wo pe kwa kutenom ne despite no asori nam site edi throwers o mo kopem otate what be da Ghana mabunu sika bada bottom mumie bie companies na nkwada na eba ne nya binye na bet no eguso sport yentwa mu ma bet wo muguso bo mabunu a mwadwene wo fom na sabi mwadwene afo amanyofo ebo mu chaskele because o mahunu se mo temamufo mwadwene wo fom baby awiase aduru yo na ano na metie obiribo ahe na mesu o se benfie aduonum achi a etwam ni ena Malaysia ba ha be fa common abe ene Malaysia na mabeso dane ani ye oyo no ahodo saa tumi de adwene ho no eye akwan ebuo aye kurom hama ye da so timfuturu mu because of poor leaders ya ti bonkoso akandifo a hwini wo mutim Ghana sika ene ye pere bepe biko enunti babunu wie suku se migration wo pesa fire service obewie obetena fiemfie aduonum yes wotam kura age de fa no unya kurowe teacher ni wie teacher training tena fie su epe adwuma because of say yan mabunu yesi yadwene ne yenti ase etirase na politicians use yen didi ebiem enisun the be a wiase aduru no ye besi 30,000 hospital toilet enye hospital ni nua ba ye hunu nyansa sisi hospital agu sabi miamia ni aka ye mfidie se bekom ama obi enya ye hwe obi yade ya yenya dabi okosi agyanai bia enne wiase hwan na esifie babunu be na enya sika esifie toilet ni ho ento mfidie nkogum ye pesika na wia edi NDC aban ne krono awia edi sanitary pa 230 million US dollars ya de kofa abobon kura ma ya ato abaya to atwene because of sika ya be paid nti ai sampanifo we ne wo mo okurum ha nyame wo hu ya mobo
ye ka huntie debi na wo be hu ka wie no ye ka huntie ye ka no why waso de den ye ka hwe ya huntie no de like huntie as you know the year make we force you for you to do something that you are supposed to do on a normal day. You won't make we can't force you. Now you define work. The work self sound no day. Means if I call somebody say Charlie, I won't find work, give my friend B. Say Charlie, I didn't work no day oh. Unless you can't join me, we do this content creating, but this why I know just content creating what they do. We started like they educate people, right? Aside creating content, creating awareness and letting people know what is happening in this country, we are also, you know, educating people, because we live in a country the citizens of the country have time. Sometimes I don't understand this. I want to understand. One was our Brunei, that Lumba issue and it's going on, all these marriage things, a year no one kuna. You go online, it's like 5,000 people on that kind of live, like almost TikTok live, you know, listen to people sharing their ideas and all those stuff. I don't say it's a bad thing, it's a good thing. But see, instead of you to go and find work, you're on TikTok live, listen to someone's marriage live. That's where you have the time for not discussing things that's going to improve and help your life. Yes, sir. Then you come and tell me that okay, Juma, there's no work here. Honestly speaking, the country is very hard. People are suffering. People can't even afford 2 square meal. People are actually suffering in this country, and the president doesn't care. He is busy sending food donations to different countries whilst his citizens are suffering. His citizens are hungry. They are very, very hungry. And the president is busy sharing food here and there to other countries, as if we are okay in the country. We are not okay. Oh, Charlie, we suffer. Yeah, bre. Or my name. One country, JDM. Say yeah, bre. Don't say yeah, bre. Why? A bed enter. I'm John Dramani. Mahama Bcoz. On person kasa. But we go talk. We don't suffer. This country is hard. Things are expensive. We are suffering. Stop sharing food here and there. Care about your citizens. We also did this country inside. We don't travel go anywhere. We don't get passport money. And if you want to send me money for UK, you make a take go UK there. You go feel send give me. But I don't get. I don't get UK passport. Visa money. I don't get. Even if I get safe, I don't want to go there for now. I just want to sit here and see how Mahama won't rule the country. But until then, it is possible. And I'll say Ezu, whatever. I don't need a one cause problem. A problem and then me problem. A problem and then me problem. Why? It's you go if you do anything we want to family. Okay? Family. Why? Ezu. Fui. Just say yes, na enye de comment section ni mo. How you gonna same TV? Didn't am just so any promise.